trying my eyebrow glue for the very first time. Yes, the first time. I have never used eyebrow glue. Of course, the liner for your brows, but not the glue. So we're going to give this a try. And I'm going to share with you all in my next video my collection of eyebrow glue. Okay. Now, I love this. Go up like that. Your brows. I am also going to get some eyebrow pencils so I can line my brows, or darken my brows, rather. Yeah. I'm trying to bring this down. So, let's see. There we go. Yeah, so we could darken, because I like my eyebrows dark. Some people are getting their eyebrows like dyed. They are actually dying. So I think I'm going to check that out, because I do want my brows to be darker. My hair is really jet black. And I wish my brows was darker and fuller. Yeah, darker and fuller. But we want to work with what we got. Okay, I like this. Y'all remember back in the day when we would draw? Okay, there we go. When we would draw our that looks good. It's giving it some definition. That looks better. That looks better, I must agree. Yeah, because I was on YouTube, of course, and I was watching this lady getting her brows tinted. She was getting her brows tinted. So I'm going to try that. I have to find a place that, does the brow tinting. Now, this brand is by Lang Money, L-A-N, and this is 3D. So they're supposed to give you extra volume. See, okay. And I got these from Temu, y'all. Temu. I like this. I like this. I used to wear full face makeup for so long, but I just stopped. I did that when I was much younger. Full face, I tell you. I would get up at 6 a.m., honey. Yes, ma'am. Get ready for school, makeup. And back in those days, honey, we was using Noxzema. Y'all remember Noxzema? Is anybody still out there using Noxzema? Who's out there using Noxzema? I see it still on the shelves, but I don't think I've seen any, videos with the Noxzema. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Wait, let me fix this one. Doing a little too much. Okay, I like that arch right there. I like that right there. Up. And then an arch. Well, I need to have a bunch of darn hair. I don't. I have hair every freaking where else. I do. Don't y'all just hate that sometimes? I sure do. Want to make sure they're even. Then I get a pencil and just darken. Feel good. Now I think these were like $1.99. I think these were $1.99 at Temu. Okay, 3D, y'all. 3D. Okay, so what y'all think? I like them. I like them. I like them. It brings my eyes out, even without me using the pencil. I like this. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Do y'all use the eyebrow glue? Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, babes.